Hello all, once again welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a very common product which nowadays we are using in our kitchens is nothing but tomato ketchup. So with very less ingredients we can make it out with a simple procedure. So before getting to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button. So here you can see I have collected a few fresh tomatoes. And these tomatoes we have to clean it properly and then cut it into pieces. Not required to be small or bigger or in same size. It's just a random cutting. So once we cut all the tomatoes into pieces, I'm shifting them to a pressure cooker. So you can see here I have shifted all tomatoes into pressure cooker, and I'm adding a half glass of water, and we should allow it to have 3 to 4 whistles. Our tomatoes have been cooked. So you can see here most water content has come out from the tomatoes. Now we have to let it cool down. Then we'll be separating the water and grinding it. So you can see here I'm just separated the excess water from the tomatoes. And I'm shifting it into a mixer grinder and mixing it into very thick paste. Our tomato puree is ready. So this we have to strain from the strainer. So while we are doing it, you can even add the water whatever we have kept aside to strain out all the thick paste. And don't waste the water. Full water we have to use, the water whichever the tomato excess water we have collected, and keep it separate. The full water we have to add and use it. So in this straining procedure, we will take out all that tomato skin, and the seeds of tomatoes will come out. So you can see here the final wastage. So that's how we collected tomato water and puree. So give a thorough mix and start cooking it. We have to cook it till it will become a thick paste. So in between we have to continuously stir it. Now we have to add the three ingredients which are mandatory. As it is a sweet tomato ketchup, I am adding here a sugar. And the second item is vinegar. Vinegar we have to add 3 to 4 tablespoons as per our quantity. And to compensate vinegar and sugar taste, we are adding half tablespoon salt also. Now all that we require is we have to continuously stir it once in 2 minutes, 5 minutes till it will become a thick tomato sauce. After 15-20 minutes, you can see it is becoming a thick tomato sauce kind of texture. So to make out till when it has to be cooked, when the exact tomato sauce has been cooked, we have a plate test also. So once you feel like it come to a thick level, what you have to do, drop a 3 to 4 drops in a plate. So if you hold the plate slantingly, you can see the water content is coming out. So this indicate you that it has to be cooked still more. Now you can see I'm adding an optional ingredient which is a chili powder. This is absolutely optional. If you want a spicy and sweet tomato ketchup, you can do it. And now the final test I am doing. See here you can see no water content is coming out of the puree. So this is the stage where we have to cut off our flame. So our tomato ketchup is ready. Now we have to allow it to cool down properly. Then you can store it in a airtight container, and you can use it for 1.5 months to 2 months easily with the fridge temperature. I hope you all will give a trial for this, and please don't forget to mention your comments in our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel too. Thank you so much.